Historically, Garmin has shown a patient approach to updating its flagship Fenix series. Looking back, the Fenix 6 saw its launch in 2019, indicating a 2 to 3 year gap between iterations. This established release cycle suggests that the Fenix 8 Pro could be on its way. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to continue this legacy, introducing new features and improvements. From the rumors circulating around the 8 Pro is allowing us to put 8 Pro under consideration against the likes of Samsung, as well as Apple. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is the highly anticipated successor to the Fenix 7 Pro, aimed at outdoor enthusiasts which slightly part ways from ordinary smartwatches like Apple Watches and Samsung. Although this doesn't cater to every daily user, but don't be fooled because the Fenix 8 Pro is still a great everyday fit with exceptional outdoor capabilities. Known for its rugged design, multi-sport capabilities, and extensive features, the Fenix series has built a reputation as a top performer in Garmin's wearable lineup. Fenix 8 Pro is expected to continue this legacy, introducing new features and improvements. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro boasted a capable display with excellent indoor readability and average outdoor visibility. It also pioneered touchscreen functionality within the Fenix series. However, the display's contrast ratio was a point of contention, with many users desiring an upgrade to AMOLED technology. This sentiment is likely to be reflected at the top of user wish lists for the Fenix 8 Pro. Considering the premium price point of the Fenix series, the inclusion of a transflective memory in pixel (MIP) display may not align with user expectations. Garmin possesses experience with AMOLED technology, as evidenced by the Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2. Integrating AMOLED into the Fenix 8 Pro would be a feasible advancement, although it could potentially inflate the price tag. This upgrade would undoubtedly enhance the overall user experience and elevate the Fenix 8 Pro's position relative to competing smartwatches from Apple and Samsung. The Fenix 8 Pro will offer more storage than existing Garmin watches. As a result, it's safe to assume that it could have plenty of space dedicated to preloaded maps. The Fenix series excels at navigation and mapping, and extra onboard storage would allow Garmin to equip the whole Fenix 8 series with a full set of maps ready to use right out of the box. Garmin started to load a set of free map packs with the Fenix 7, and added a new map manager to make it easier to access and download them from your wrist. The services of maps are only to increase on the Fenix 8 Pro. Moreover, it can also include Topo Active Maps preloaded, which was previously much more exclusive. The Fenix 8 Pro emphasizes button navigation, which may be quicker. But how can we forget important sensors on a proper full-fledged fitness outdoor smartwatch? Although ECG sensors are starting to become mainstream in smartwatches and fitness watches, but no Garmin device is equipped with one. This could be a great start for Fenix 8 Pro to introduce the ECG sensors according to the rumors, and probably Garmin has taken its time to get the feature right. While still talking about the 8 Pro, in January 2022, Garmin revealed the Venue 2 Plus with a microphone, which allows you to access your phone's voice assistant or receive calls without taking your phone out of your pocket. It might seem like a small upgrade, but it was extremely useful, as it could further access Google Assistant far more often than we would normally. So it's something we'd like to see this feature too on the Fenix 8. For the time being, we can only speculate about what the Fenix 8 Pro might bring to the table, but we're keeping an ear to the ground for news. In short, the Fenix 8 Pro is likely to come with a bunch of upgrades from the last few generations, but might still be behind some orthodox smartwatches. Although this is no orthodox watch or in competition with, but in a league of its own, Garmin, they are trying to level up. Let's see how far they can live up to the expectations. Till then, subscribe to our channel for more.